Hi loves, let's make Filipino style lamb adobo. This is so good and it's so yummy. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. So turn on gas on higher fire. So I'm using non-stick pan. Put 1 kilograms of lamb cut into cubes, or it's up to you how big or small you want. And cover for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you just flip all the lamb. Then cover again for another 5 minutes. Now add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and ginger, bay leaf and corn pepper, and 1 cup of plain soda water, and cover for 10 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of coco aminos or non-GMO soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or any vinegar you prefer. I also add a sweetener. Put 1 to 2 tablespoons of sweetener. Now cover again for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you just need to flip again. So the soy sauce will cover all over the lamb. Now after you mix it, reduce the fire into low fire and cover for another 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, the water reduce, and you just mix all the lamb to cover the soy sauce all over it, like this. So this is ready. Just add some jalapeños and just cook it for about 5 minutes, and that's it. If you like the adobo is famous in Philippines, you're gonna love this recipe if you love the lamb. And you can partner it with some low-carb vegetable like cauliflower or the shirataki rice or some salad, some other low-carb veggies. Now just plate it. So this is my dinner. So this serving is good about 4 servings. So I just put some, how you call this, bean sprout, and that's it. So thank you and God bless.